Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. Just looking at the chart, you can see it is in a range for the last 3 days, and big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. And we are flirting with this level. This level seems to be what is important to keep in mind, and that's the 1300 level. Obviously, it's around numbers, so we'd need a clear break of that for the bulls to actually get control of this. Now, there's a lot of mixed reaction to the Fed's speech last night and how they're changing their monetary policy. So I think the question is, how is it going to impact the dollar? And I just have the sneaky feeling that most big traders are waiting at the moment to see what's going to transpire. So they're waiting for some catalyst. What that catalyst is unknown. It's pointless trying to guess for what it is, because it could be something as stupid as a vaccine. I suppose it's not stupid, but something as simple as a vaccine. Or alternatively, it could be something as simple as another speech by Powell, or the minutes of his speech, or something like that. So pointless trying to speculate with these kind of things, because then you just become one of the news organizations that's got no clue what's going on anyway. So price is everything that we need to focus on. And yesterday we did have a down day. We have come back into support, and the support is the 1300 area. So I'm inclined to believe if 1300 holds, then we have another opportunity to get back to 13 to 39 to 13 to 30 area. But yeah, it's still sideways. It's not kind of something that I want to trade. I mean, on the 3 hour, there's nothing there that's standing out for me, and there's definitely nothing standing out on the hour. That is a pure solid range, and I'm curious to know where futures is at the moment. Just give me a second, we'll have a look. So we were down 0.7% yesterday. We're up 0.61% this morning. So the confusion continues. I think we're range bound, and I think we're going to be range bound until we have all the noise settling in the US. So we have the Apple stock split, and then we have the Dow realignment. So there's stocks leaving the Dow and stocks coming into the Dow. And because the Dow is basically a price-based index, there is going to be a change to the price. And I have a feeling that the algos out there are, because they feed off the Dow. So I think that may actually impact this somehow. I'm not sure how. Haven't really paid attention to a sort of a realignment of the indexes before, specifically US markets. So yeah, for me, this is sit on hands. I'm going to wait and see what transpires here. This is a range. Don't really like it. It could also be a bit of a head and shoulders forming. So there's a shoulder, there's a head, and then a little bit of a spike, and then a move down to form the right shoulder, and then a move down to close this gap at the bottom. So yeah, for me, sorry to the DAX traders, but this doesn't excite me, doesn't fill me with much joy at the moment. So what I'll be waiting for is I'll be waiting for next week, and not Monday. It'll be Tuesday. So wait for the new month and see what transpires there. Okay. So anyway, guys, I hope it helps you somewhat. And I haven't seen much on Forex either, and Wall Street's not something I want to trade either. So last one is the S&P, and we'll do that video next and see what if there's anything there. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.